Today we are going to enter into completing with the past life patterns, past life regression. Before entering into the past life, let us clean the internal organs. Understand? When I say internal organ, I don't mean your liver, kidney, heart, lungs. In the Vedic tradition, we have some internal organs which is not mentioned in physiology. Those internal organs are made of energy. The first organ is Vak, the organ which produces sound and converts the sound into words. Listen. The organ which is in your throat, which converts the sound into words. And don't underestimate power of your words. 10 minutes if you repeat, I am sick, I am sick, I am sick, what happens? 10 minutes if you repeat, no, I have to be healthy, I am healthy, I will manage, I am healthy, what happens? You become healthy. You are able to manage your day. The words you utter are too strong, too powerful. The words you utter are too strong and too powerful. What I am talking is not vocal cord, it is called Vak. From the beginning, the words you utter becomes pattern in your Vak. I have seen some people, without even bothering a little bit, they will lie left and right. And I have also seen some people, even for one small word, they will be so sensitive. I have also seen some people who will utter whatever they want and they will make it into reality. But everything starts with the Vak. Listen. If the Vak is in your power, it is called integrity. Integrity is nothing but ability to fulfill the words you are uttering, ability to be complete with the words you are uttering. Understand, it's a power, not moral. Integrity is not a moral, it's a power. If you think it is a moral, you will feel you are bound by it. No, it's a power. Your ability to make your words into reality means you are complete with your words. When you have a completion with your words, you will have power to make your words into reality. What are the incompletions we have in our Vak? Knowingly giving a word and not fulfilling it, not bothered about fulfilling it, doesn't care about fulfilling it, making yourself insensitive to the words you utter. Even while you are giving a promise, I will give you $2,000. Inside you know you are not going to give. I will tell like this and I know how I will cheat you. I will give you $2,000. Oh, I will give you $20,000 once I get this loan. But to get this loan, I need $2,000 advance. Please give me. Not having sensitivity towards your words is one of the worst powerlessness. It is almost like you allow somebody to rape you. You yourself don't have respect for you and you allow anybody to walk into your space and abuse you. It is almost like a feeling cheap about you because you are insensitive about it. We don't care. Bringing sensitivity to the words we utter is integrity. bringing sensitivity to the words we utter is integrity. Integrity is not just fulfilling the word or thought you gave it to yourself and to others and experiencing a state of completion. It is actually being sensitive to the words you utter. From the young age, you start developing this pattern of uttering something and not respecting about it. Not even completing with that person, saying, I told you I will give you 2 candy, but I am not able to give you. No. That insensitivity grows and becomes powerlessness in you. The person who has sensitivity towards its words will have vak siddhi, means whatever he utters will become reality. Whatever he utters will become reality. So understand, bringing sensitivity towards you, to your words. First, let us dig out all the patterns when we corrupted our vak by not fulfilling the words. It may be as simple as your promise to your sister that you will give a candy, or your promise to your dad you will become an engineer, or a promise to yourself that you will become a doctor. All the words you uttered to others and to yourself, even your desires or the commitment you gave it to you, which you gave and did not fulfill. Let's dig them out and complete. This is one of the most sensitive completion, where you will see the power immediately. Once you complete with your vak words, the words you utter will simply start becoming reality. You will see, just before anything becoming reality, you will see that as a word in you. First, let us dig out the incompletions with the words, with our vak. Completion with vak. Step 1. Look into your life and list down all the words, promises, commitments you gave it to yourself and to others which you did not honor and fulfill or withdraw, and thereby did not restore integrity. Means where you have been insensitive towards your words. Start. If the people with whom you committed did not fulfill, if they are alive, try to call them and complete. It will bring lot more deeper completion with integrity. For next session. Thank you. Be blissful.